castle, we rushed to Kakum Canopy Walk before it closed. As it closed at 4 p.m, it took us approximately 50 minutes to get there. We made it close to 4 p.m, and luckily for us, they let us in, but Nuha had to negotiate the cost. In the end, it cost $100 each, which is approximately $10.88 in Australian.
What we have, we close down for far away. We have to. We close at 4:51.
Wow.
And they almost closed. Everything is closed. Wow.
The restaurant had closed by the time we finished the tour, which was disappointing.
Waba. I will take you.
We finally did. We nearly didn't make it.
Really. Finally made it, huh?
Like the Guardians and I.
Yeah. Whether you like it or not, you cross it. Now you have paid for it. I don't want you to waste your money. Just experience it. So I want to go out and tell others. Don't be afraid. The train is suspended. Listen to me. I don't hope it will get to where the people walk. The train is suspended. So definitely
35 adult.
make noise.
35 adult.
Now when you get there,
Entrance at the first gate.
yeah,
And here 35.
Yeah.
you go
You see?
Charge you 100.
Charge is 100, 100, 100. 100, I'll go back there. Don't worry. They know.
you have forest elephant, bongo, antelope.
No, because they said they are late. They also took something.
The only animal you can
They took something from us before they started.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said we are late.
Yeah,
They closed at 4 o'clock. So they closed.
Are you okay? Now,
Was not a short walk, so highly suggest wearing decent shoes. Mine were not suitable.
So they know we are rushing and they took advantage.
Yeah, well. Sorry. Choose either the short walk or the long walk through the trees. We decided the short one as it suited us.
But I was rushing because the tour guide was waiting. I gave him 100, 100 each. You guys want me to go first?
You alright?
Yeah, man.
Let's go. Oh man, we are here. Huh?
Oh my god.
Damn! Wow. Wow.
No, I'm
Go Cool, you good? Cool, yeah, we survived. Let's go. Ooh. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Wow, we are the only ones here. Wow.
Is it long or short?
Hold on. Let's go. Oh, that's it. That's it. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
Should I press that to save?
Oh, yeah, press that.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
If I feel a fight, look at me. Look at the video.
Yeah.
If you cry, if you find your face, it will show you here.
Yeah.
I'll post it to the YouTube, my IG. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go.
So,
Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Don't look down.
whatever coach I bear, so what can follow you?
We should not look down.
Yeah, don't look down. If I feel a fight, don't look down.
Don't look down.
For the shaking is normal, okay?
Oh, the shaking
After the
is
shaking is
normal?
normal. You not fall down.
Okay.
You not fall down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Aziz, wow.
Why is balancing like this?
Oh, it's not, that one is normal. The thing
Oh, it's
suspended.
normal,
That's why I said the thing suspended. So shaking and wobble, swinging is normal,
yeah.
okay? Yeah, let's move. Move on.
Let's move up.
This is the short way, right?
Yeah, this is the short way. We are done. When you cross it, we are done. The short way is only 2 bridges and the long way is 7. Yeah, so where
wow,
you did.
7 of them.
Yeah, we have 7. That's the other bridges, okay?
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Oi!
Don't look down. If I feel the fight.
Wow.
Oi!
Oh, come. You not fall down. Just stretch your leg. Just stretch. Have a stretch. Yeah, feel comfortable. Just walk. Don't touch the net. Just walk. Don't touch it. You can do better. You can do more than this, okay?
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, this thing is not yet finished, so we have one.
Wow. Don't look down.
Don't look down, babe.
Yeah, don't look down.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
But the shaking is normal, okay?
Oh, the shaking is normal?
Normal. You not
Okay.
fall down.
Okay.
You not fall down. Okay.
Oh, Aziz, don't move. Oh, no. Lay down, lay down.
Wow.
Don't look down. You got to do the fight.
Wow.
Aziz, don't wake up, please.
Oh, come, you not fall down. Just stretch your leg. Just stretch. Have a stretch.
Just stretch
Yeah,
your leg.
feel comfortable. Just walk. Don't touch the net. Just walk. Don't touch it. You can do better. You can do more than this, okay?
Wow.
So you can speak whilst we are going. How was the Canopy walkway?
Yeah, good. Very high.
How will you tell others who haven't experienced this?
I think it's the best experience. You should come. Everyone should come. Yeah, do this. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why did you choose the short and not the long way?
I think because my friends were scared.
Oh,
Can you take him at the back? He's funny.
yes.
You're quirky. Ooh, it's good. We got everything done, babe. I was wrong. Wowza. Oh, careful. What's that way? Oh, good. Hey, look at Togo with the camera.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Ooh, we came on Soar and Conquer. Wow. Finally, you can scratch it off.
Yes, scratch it off our list.
After you don't and dust it. Oh. Oh man.
Oh. I know. Alright, let's head to our favourite place.
Let's head to our favorite place. They close at 9 o'clock, don't they?
Do they?
Yeah, they close at 9.
Are you sure?
Beautiful.
Hello. Hi.
We came on Soar and Conquer.
Hey.
Look at me sweating. Do you see me
Ooh,
sweating?
look at me sweating. I'm sweating like
I'm sweating like crazy.
nothing.
I'm sweating like crazy.
Oh, wow. Woo. I survived the Kakum Canopy walk.
We survived.
Hey, Aziz did. He didn't even put his foot on the ground. Oh.
Oh, did you take that
No.
one off there?
Huh?
What does it say? Up
Yeah, I
there.
got it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's like the door of
survived.
no return and then door of return.
Yeah.
So front and back.
Oh, I already done the front. Oh,
Ooh, there's a restaurant here, but it's also closed, they say.
go check. Just check. Horsies. Horsey.
Wow. Look at how the thick forest around it. You see how nice it is?
Mm,
Wow, what? Look at this. This is like the Amazon or something.
pretty.
And you can hear the crickets and stuff. Wow, there's 2 horses here enjoying horsey. That's nice. Wow, wow, wow.
Ah,